Okay, this is summary for the tools we use to remove our and exchange our spark plugs. To remove the stuff on the way, first of all is the plastic plier here to remove the clip which hold the air inlet to the front of the car, and then the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws of the pressure sensor which will come in the way, E10 and E12. The E12 is for removal of the bolts that hold the ignition coil itself. There are two long ones, and this is to remove the clip which comes above the ignition coil itself. Now we come to the main instruments for the spark plugs. This is 16mm long spark socket. You can see it's black inside. This is what's shine inside. It's the rubber cushion inside for the not to hurt the ceramics of the spark plugs. With an extension, I use the half-inch ratchet, so I have the extension of the half-inch. So now I'm gonna change the spark plugs. Okay, spark plugs are here. Those span. First thing first, we're gonna move the clip which hold the intake for the air. To remove this, we have one clip from above, one clip from beneath. To reduce the upper one, you put your plastic prying between the edges here and there. Okay, and pry from the sides. Put it inside and pry until you reach the clip which is here exactly in the middle. That's it. Now I'm above the clip. Now I try to hold it from beneath and just take it. You can hold it from beneath or from up as long as you pry one, because the other one won't bother you later. Put this aside. Now we have two clips that hold this intake to the metal here. So what you're gonna do is to try to with one hand, with your hand, try to clip here and here. Squeeze it away. I'll try with the other hand. Yes. So try this way, like this. See this one clip, the other one. Now it's free. Okay, moving out. Now you can remove it. You have also two notches here and here which support the intake air. So try to just wiggle it a little bit so it's out. You see one here, one is there. Now you can take your air intake out. So you have everything ready now. Now we move down. Here you have the E10. Here you have E10 bolt and another one here. I'm gonna take this one out and I'm gonna loosen the other one. I'm gonna leave it for orientation later. If it's in my way, and usually I take it to the side and it's like easy, it's not bothering me. I'll take this one out. It's E10. Okay, take it out, which will lose this clip. Okay, after I remove the air intake, now I'm gonna remove this clip, the ignition coil clip, which have tongue exactly here. I'm gonna just pull it out this way, and later we can move to the bolts here. Now I'm gonna remove the bolts, two bolts that hold the ignition itself. It's E12 bolts. So now after removal of the two nuts here, just pull it. Try to pull it from both sides, because the last one on the left is stuck by the metal here. See this triangle down there? Here, by this triangle. So grab it from here and there and wiggle it a little bit until it goes out. Now we are ready to take out your ignition sparks. So the best way to reach your plugs, it's all in holes, very difficult to reach. You put your 16mm socket, spark plug socket, which have the plastic rubber inside, and you put the half-inch extension. You see, with the extension, I'm just up to the edge, And now I'll put my wrench and slowly take it out. So once the resistance is gone, you take it and remove it manually. You don't want to use the wrench the whole way. The same way for insertion. You insert it manually and easy, so you don't over thread the threads, because it also comes in an angle. So until I take the whole plug out. If you have 190 engine like mine, the pressure sensor is in your way for the last spark plug. So just temporarily reverse it, don't tighten. I just put the screw just not to lose it, and to plug the inlet for the intake so it doesn't get dirty, because the last one is just at the angle like this. The last spark plugs come like this. For the last spark, which is on the extreme left, you do your extension or use the socket that will get the end of this extension out of this angle, so it doesn't interfere with it, because you don't want to remove your spark plug in diagonal direction. Okay, and since you have the same tool, try to put it first also after you remove it. Okay, now for installation. For installing the spark plugs, I always use the anti-seize copper compound to prevent it from seizing when I want to change it again. Okay, we will put a little bit around these threads, not down. We'll put it here all around with the tip of our fingers. And torque wrench. The specified torque for Mercedes for spark plugs is 25. So you have, see the 4 and 6 is 5, and you put the mark between 30 and 20, which means 25 Newton meter torque. Okay. After I put the anti-seize, I put it with the extension with my hands and move it back and forth, so I know that I'm not cross-threading, and try it a million times until I felt like it's just going by itself. So now I reach the point that it's snug by my hand. Okay, now I'm gonna put the torque wrench and torque it to 25 Newton meter.